Welcome. In this Jeenie Quick Start video, we'll walk you through how to get an interpreter on demand. Let's start with mobile calls. If you need an interpreter in the moment, Jeenie connects you to a live, experienced, world-class interpreter in seconds. Here's how. Open the Jeenie app. We've already logged in. And once you log in, you stay logged in, even if you close the app. That means no additional ID codes required. On the call screen, you're just a few clicks away from an interpreter. The first time you open the app, your language is preset to your native language, but you can change it at any time. Next is type of service. If your business has more than one type of service like healthcare or legal, you can choose the one that best fits your need here. Then select the language you need an interpreter for. Your most recently used languages are at the top. Not there? You can scroll or enter the first letters of the language to narrow your search. All that's left is to click audio or video, and you'll be connected with a Jeenie interpreter. Now, research shows that video gets significantly better results, so we definitely recommend it. And Jeenie is so flexible. It works on any device. Here's how you can place an on-demand call from your computer. First, open Jeenie on your web browser at app.jeenie.com. Log in. You'll see your homepage is the main call screen. And you'll see the same three options: the language you speak, the service type, and the language you need an interpreter for. Now, for services, if you need to meet HIPAA requirements, be sure you select healthcare as the service option. Then simply connect by choosing the type of call. Now remember, video is the same price as audio on Jeenie, but you get better results. That's it. Thanks, and check out our next Quick Start video.